Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to replace imaging drum for HP Color Laser Jet Color Laser 179fnw. Okay, to replace the imaging drum on this printer, you have to first open this door. There is a handle for this door here. Remove the cartridges. Now you press and hold this handle here. It's the handle for the imaging drum, and you pull. Pull it out. This is the way to remove it. If you want to replace it with a new one, what you need to do, you just need to reverse the whole process. Okay, make sure that it is fitting in its path. If it doesn't fit well, it will not go in. Now the second step is to replace install the waste toner container and reinstall the toners. You have to follow the colors. For black, it is K. For cyan, it is C. You have to put it in the slot for C. For magenta, it is M. And for yellow, it is Y. And close the printer. That is how we replace the imaging drum on HP Laser Jet MFP 179fnw. Thank you for watching. Please, bye bye.